Hey, everybody. Dan Fitzpatrick here, stockmarketmentor.com. And here's your Fits in 5 video today. Now, I'm looking at RIOT. We've got a few different real screaming trades on right now. RIOT, a lot of guys got in here when it first broke out above 13. And so now this thing's up over 60%. And then the issue is, and then a similar thing here in Mara, right in here, we jumped in at 1106 and the stock just continues to run. Another one is MicroStrategy, same kind of deal. We're in it at 328-ish, something like that. And now this stock is up 33% and over $100. Okay, so these are three monster trades that we're in. By the way, why aren't you in these trades? I know, because you're not a member of our premium service. So you can make that trade today. Here's the thing, though. At this point, then the difficulty that a trader has is to stay in trades like this, because you're looking at this and you're going, oh my gosh, you know, I can't believe it. I got to take profits. I got to close this position out. It's about to reverse and all that. And my suggestion is that you look at it this way. I inserted an 8-day exponential moving average here. And this has tended to work pretty well. It's not an uncommon way to look at this, but you see where this is in relation to the price here and here as well. So the price is, well above the 8-day moving average. So this RIOT is really looking like it's accelerating. But you look at it on the weekly chart and how far is the thing going to go? At this point, you have to just kind of look at this as blue sky, really. My suspicion is at some point it'll be up to $30, but that's not the kind of call I can make. I don't know. I have no idea whether it's gonna move like that, and if it does, maybe it comes down here first and then runs up. So this to me is just about risk management. It's trade risk management. It is profit risk management, and the best way that I've learned to do this is to be using partial stops, but also if you're going to use this 8-day moving average, I mean, frankly, this is how you do it. You say, all right, stock's up here at $20 now. The 8-period moving average is down here at 1650, essentially. So let me assume that my stock right now, wherever I bought this from, let me assume that that's at 1650 as opposed to up here. So how much have I made or lost between when I entered and here, where it is right now, theoretically at 1650? That would be the maximum drawdown that you would be willing to take. And that's about 20%. I mean, that's a massive drawdown, but at least it's a way for you to say, all right, let me get real about my risk here, because I want to ride this as much as I possibly can. So this has been a clear support for the stock if you're looking at it on a daily chart. Now, keep in mind, this isn't an 8-day moving average, it's an 8-period moving average. If we go down to an hour, suddenly it gets a little bit better because it's not down at 1650, it is at $19. And so now you can be trading on this time frame and you look and see, well, if the stock pulls back and closes below the 8-period moving average on a 1-hour chart, then I'm only risking 6.7%, which works. And on a stock like this, it actually works better because when the stock's ramping so much, you really want to ride the lightning and stay with that stock without risking giving 20% back. So in a similar vein here, you're risking 5.75% from where it is here if you use the 8-period moving average as a reference for your stop. And same thing here for micro strategies. So this is one way that you can be managing your risk. You want to be controlling your risk, and that's the risk of giving back a lot of your profits versus the risk of missing out on everything. If you're managing your risk in this way, you're going to find out that you can stick with your trades for a longer period of time. And that's really what you want to be doing. So that's all I got for you today. Again, check out Stock Market Mentor. It's not just about me. It's Scott McGregor, who's our crypto maestro, and then a lot of good trades in the form. It costs you $7 for 14 days. I don't know what the problem is with that. Okay. I will see you there. Have a good day.